Okay, this exercise is called a front squat with a barbell. And if you have a squat rack, you can obviously step under the bar. I'm gonna just toss the bar up here onto my shoulders. So with front squat, what our goal is to get our elbows up. So notice how my elbows are facing towards you. That's really what we want for good form. And you're gonna find that the higher your elbows are, the less chance there is that the bar is gonna start to roll down. So we really wanna keep elbows up nice and high. Then I'm gonna take my regular squat formation here so you can see that my feet are about hip width apart. And then it's key to keep chest up. And as I lower down, you can see that I'm barely even holding onto the bar. The higher my elbows are, the more that bar is going to lock onto the top of the shoulders, between my neck and the top of the shoulders. And then just as a regular squat, exhale up. So it's a breath in on the way down, exhale on the way up. I'm going to show you from the side here. Take a look at how straight and tall my back is. So there's no rounding in my spine at all. Slightly looking up. And then again, think about that breath. Breath in on the way down, exhale on the way up. And that's your front squat with a barbell.